Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. This is Jake. I'm Robbie. We got a really good mule for you today. We're gonna do a Basil Watermelon Mule. So for this drink, you're gonna need, most importantly, our Basil Carolina Rum. This stuff is second to none. It is the only one. It is an awesome basil infused rum made right here at Muddy River Distillery. Don't forget to check this out. You're also going to need Fever Tree ginger beer or ginger beer of your preference. We a lot of times use unknown ginger beer or ginger ale here. You're gonna need watermelon juice and you're gonna need fresh limes. So to get this started, Jake, what's step one?
You're gonna do 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass, please.
Yes, sir. 2 ounces of basil rum going to each glass. We're using mason jars here, small mason jars. This would be just like using a pint glass.
Essentially.
We've topped these with fresh ice.
Yep.
So 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass.
You want to squeeze half a lime in each glass also?
Yes, sir. Then we're gonna add half a lime to each glass. All right.
I think it's like a 1/4 ounce of lime juice.
Yeah, somewhere in
If you
there.
don't have fresh limes, a 1/4 ounce of lime juice is probably
And it depends on the size of your lime too.
Yeah, and that's one of those things about fresh limes, you know, if it's a big one, you gotta use less.
And you can always add more.
You can always add more.
Can't take away.
No. Or you can just make the drink bigger by adding other things.
That's how you take away.
That's how you
Yeah.
take away. Just make it bigger. Yeah.
That makes sense. All right, so we've got our rum in the glass, we've got our lime in the glass. Next up,
I'm gonna add 2 ounces of watermelon juice to each glass.
we got this watermelon juice at Walmart. All right, so he's got the watermelon juice in the glass, and then
Final step is I'm gonna top each one with ginger beer.
oh yeah, that looks and smells like a basil watermelon mule if I'd ever seen one.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna give this a quick stir, incorporate all these ingredients. Don't be too aggressive with it because you don't want to kill the bubbles in your ginger beer. Okay, it's all mixed up. We're gonna garnish this with a lime. So pretty. It's summertime, buddy. All right, that's our Basil Watermelon Mule. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have all sorts of cocktails using our basil rum. We also have a bunch of cocktails using watermelon juice. So very versatile. Oh, and we have lots of cocktails using all of our ingredients.
Yeah,
so
all of our ingredients.
remember, when you buy some ingredients, if you only want to make a couple drinks or you want to do variations, this channel is a great way to see all the things you can make with those limited ingredients. So check out our playlists and our channel in general. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. The recipe will be in the description below along with links to our social media. You can check us out in your local liquor store and you can come out here and take a tour. Hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers.